Hello class, first I want to tell you that I miss you a lot and I'm glad to be here for you. This is our first class today and I'm going to be explaining how we are going to go about the topics. We will start with Unit A. The name is Shopping for Clothes, okay? In this platform, I will be uploading the necessary material to continue studying and delving into different topics. Many of you must have already seen a presentation. In this presentation, I show you a summary of the whole unit. You will see the vocabulary and also the reference chart to study the grammar. It may also have exercise within the presentation. In addition, I will be uploading exercises for you and do and upload them to the platform and this way review them. Okay, so for example, in the first slide that you have here, you have vocabulary words and you have some words like jackets, sweaters, gloves, boxers, bras, panties, socks, tie, pantyhose, purses, belts. This is the vocabulary that is important for you in this unit. Then the next slide is other words, okay? Men's and women's pajamas, women's nightgowns, bathrobes, running shoes, short and running pants. This is another vocabulary that you have to work in these units, okay? Different words like jeans, a sweatshirt, sweat pants, t-shirt, polo shirt. This context is not new for you because in other grades do you have studied these words, okay? And this is more words that vocabulary: gloves, pantyhose, tights, panties, pajamas, jeans, pants, and other words. In this unit, you have a lot of vocabulary for work, but you have some reference charts too. Do you remember the reference charts that you have in your book? Is the same. Reference chart refers grammar. In this case, you study comparative adjective. I don't know if you remember comparative adjective, but it's a topic that is not new for you too. For example, use comparative adjectives to compare to people, places, things, or idea. And you have here more examples about this. For example, when you study comparative adjective, you use than. Than used after the adjective when you compare to people, places, or things. For example, that suit is nicer than the one I'm wearing. I don't know if you remember the comparative, but it's an easy topic for you. And some rules for this is completely important for study. For example, when you have a small is an adjective short, you only add at the end of the word er. Small, smaller. Large, larger. But when the word is a long adjective, for example, popular, you don't say popularer, right? You say more popular. So this is some of topic that we have to study in this unit. This is another vocabulary words that is important: formal, informal, appropriate, inappropriate, because these words refers to clothes, okay? The clothes that you use in many different places. And continue with other vocabulary. There's a lot of vocabulary in this unit. Take, go down the escalator, go up, and others. This is another: top floor, third floor, second floor, ground floor, okay? And this is another reference chart that refer as direct object. This is important because here you study the object pronouns. And you need to remember the subject pronouns, and this is the object pronouns. You studied this in this unit 2, and that's it. Okay, so in this presentation you have a summary of the whole unit. Apart from this, we were working with other exercises, of course. So far, I hope everything has been clear to you. See you in next class. Okay, bye.